So today is day 5. It's currently 11:19 p.m. Yes, p.m. And yeah, today's different. I wouldn't say I necessarily failed day 5, but more like I didn't really do much. And the reason why I haven't really done much today is mainly because I mainly did everything. So I'm kind of waiting until tomorrow, which is Monday, is when I will be able to access the 3D printer. And until then, like, I have the CAD models, I have the programming done. I realized, like, instead of reprogramming everything, I'll just keep the same exact program. Just add a few things, just like only add some couple of lines of code for the third circle, which would be the horizontal circle, and that's pretty much it. So the CAD model's done, the circuitry done, the programming, the code done. The only thing I need is to actually 3D print, test, and that's the only thing stopping me. So day 5, just let's say waiting. I wouldn't say I failed because I haven't really done much. I did edit some videos, watch a couple videos regarding SolidWorks CAD, but yeah, day 5, pretty much all I did.